All right, hello. This video is going to go over chapter 2, program 2, and we're just taking an int number anywhere 5 to 15. Then we want to square it, cube it, and do the fourth power. And we also want to talk a little bit about how to use this math.pow. All right. So basically, I need to start by making an int, and so you can set it anything you want. All right. I'm just going to pick 7, and then I'm just going to start to display the different values. So I'm going to system out, and then I'm going to do for the square, maybe I'll do a little message here, num squared colon, and then I want this to be the actual number squared, so I'm going to add to that string num times num. All right, so this is just going to print out, if we run this, it's going to print out 49. Okay, and then maybe we could just do this to the number is, so it'll print out nice and neat, I guess, for our user. Say the number is 7, and then the number squared is 49. All right, and the nice part about doing it this way with a variable is now if I change this, let's say I want to do 10 and figure out what that is squared, right, then I've got it squared. Okay, and then we just got to add the other pieces. So at this point, you could kind of pause the video and try it on your own if you wanted to do the next piece. And then I know the math part maybe we haven't done yet, but pause it and give it a shot. Okay, so num cubed. So now I just want to do num times num times num. Okay, and eventually this gets obnoxious, right? So I don't want to keep doing this each time. Like if I want to do the 100th power or something, it's going to take forever to do this. So what Java does is they have something called math.pow. So if I type math with an uppercase M dot, and then you can see all the things you can do. Absolute value. Oh, what is there? There's floor, which would be round down, I'm guessing. There's log. There's max, right? There's a whole bunch of different things. You can round it. You can do the sign. So, but we want to do one called POW, P-O-W. And if you read the description here, it says it takes returns the first argument raised to the power of the second argument. So the first one is our base, and the second one is our power. So I'm going to do a base of num and a power of 4 to get the fourth power. Okay, and so maybe I'm going to do this a little bit different. So I'm actually going to store this result. So that math.pow will do the calculations, but if I want to store it, let's call it just temp, make a temp variable. So basically this is a temporary value that stores this number to the fourth power, right? And math.pow returns a double, which is why I got to use double here instead of int. And if you read the description, math.pow, you'll see it returns a double. So I have to store it in a double type. All right, and then I'm just going to print out a little message, num to the fourth power. Add to that my fourth power, which I call temp. And now we can run it and see if it's working okay. All right, so hopefully that helps. If I got the wrong question or something doesn't look right, just let me know. Have a good day.